Welcome guys, welcome back to Coloring Book TV. As I know, so I've been away for another movie. So here is it now. This is a brand new movie on Coloring Book TV. Yes, you all be asking for All For You Part 2, but we're there in a new location now, which we're in Negril. Yes, so I'm not sure if we can get to deal with a Part 2. Yes, but I'm gonna try my best, but just stay tuned for that. Is there any more information about that? We may not know. But I talk about this brand new movie now. We're on the channel. So check it out. Continue subscribe. And if you want to make any donation against anything on the movements, you can also hit me up at 799-2758. That is my number. 799-2758. Subscribe and stay tuned. All it more hits are forward.
Yo. Oi. You come the man? You see the reason why I like bringing you go out? What? Girl, call late you sleep in a bed.
Tired.
Me tired to all of go party last night, right? Me wake up while you can't wake up. I'm not gonna pick it up for a road, man. But yeah, so what I deal with differently? How you feel?
Me not hurt me. They give me so much alcohol last night.
Who get alcohol and you throw it? Don't do it. You're not bright. You look mashed down.
I'm not laugh, man.
So you can get up and brush your teeth then and wash your face.
I want to sleep. You can't make me get little sleep first.
Girl, we have to clean up in the place.
Alright.
And this one there, oh God. You know, I say you wake up well bright and early.
I come
on time. You feel the food, so me have to smell, you know? Go sit down. You enjoy your party last night?
Yeah, I tell you. But when I go made happy.
So everybody get up with headache then?
Not everybody can get up with a headache. Me must be used to it, you know?
Yeah, I
used
take
to
a
it.
ring, so you're not going to
So when I chat with me, I talk about something when I chat with me.
Still chat about party last night, Master Shade hurt her and this and that about me give her enough rum. And the same thing.
Breathing my breath there.
And then I hurt her, that makes sense?
I that makes sense.
That makes sense? Yo, we can tell me that. Yo, then duck. No!
So why you pray for you there?
I mean, anyway, we'll just get up and put up your bed and straighten up after we can figure out how you're going.
Miss Lydia?
I never tell you if you put up no bed, so rise and shine.
Miss still help
What
with
is? And you last get up, so put up your bed. I'm sleep out in there already.
You can look at
I
watch
watch
you.
you get tired. So. Help me now.
Who help him?
I mean, said him go to
You
from.
can't spell look a bit. Oh God. Who help you?
Look at dirty people. Huh?
Go and wash.
The level of disrespect.
That's right.
Pass it to that.
But people, this mistake on some others, so.
I know me I'm hungry.
You do open it now? Come in.
Yo, me say I do a party last night.
What's up?
Eh?
I'm going
You smile up with me like you're some straight dog. You want to? Eh? I'm get up this morning and my bread the bread and sitting. And you don't get so with the friend them.
You mean
What kind
with
of
your
style
friend?
are they on?
So we can't see
Yeah?
that with nobody.
You smile up with me yo, me. You smile up with me enemy, you know what you do, you know.
Hey.
No what you
That
do.
shoulda me.
You come down and start daylight, what happen? Yeah? Now make no girl go up on the road, go shame and drop my street crack. You hear that? You come like a some street dog, you come in a party and hail me enemy. Stop your balling, man. You know, say I love me, make me go into my hold on upon this. Come on to me, come clean up your house. I love you, and I like I want to share for you.
Let me tell you this,
Hey, watch
yourself,
yourself,
man.
You're trying to
Come
take
back
food
now.
out of this.
What is?
What is tapping in your back? And then the girl ain't pass the days and that she
Yeah,
near
exactly.
Whole feel all idiot.
That's why I don't want no cameraman, you know. You see what? No, sir. But you want to know how to night more. Because the girl pass full. Me don't want no cameraman. Me don't want no man who a chop no line. I better grass in my chop. You see me? My man have to independent. If it's just because I'm in dirty money, he more box up in front of people and then come back home and give me money and a friend me up. Me not in them shit there. She a idiot. I'm a friend, but she a idiot.
Speak the truth.
Come, step back if you like, yeah, man. Yeah, it's a grieve me, see, man. I know me happen to, no, so. I come a kin teeth and go to. Girl, a kin teeth and go.
No sense, brother.
You got to look money my kin teeth and go. But I need to let the money they done. And so I later I get more kick and back and lick down and the band will let you help him. You can't stay there. For them, the lifestyle they want to live, we can't stop her. They should do it a fair life, not mine. I'm not telling nobody how to live their life. I'm going to bathroom again.
Yeah, okay.
Go all that way, you go.
Hello. Yes, wonderful. Good morning, and how are you doing today? Yes, I'm calling from the PCH, which is the Publishers Clearinghouse. Are you familiar with our company? Okay, so yeah, you have won $1.5 million on a 2022 Mercedes-Benz. Yes, so all you have to do is just get yourself a clean sheet of paper and a writing pen so I could provide you with your winner's information, okay? Yes, so give me less than 5 minutes so I will call you back, okay? The manager want to say something to me, so give me 5 minutes. Okay, have a great day. Yeah, deal with that now. You know, say you can't check me upon the early morning, okay? You know, say early morning the most work, you know?
You never tell me nothing about that.
Yeah, but you know, say you never check me upon early morning. The early morning, I not like cut my work, because you make me cut my call off by a client.
And you should have text me and tell me I will call me. You don't have my number.
So what you want to know? You want breakfast or something?
Yeah.
But hear me I say, because I didn't get to talk to you last night, you know? You see me? Hear me I say, you see, between me and you, I must say me ain't no day, you know? You see me? Me and no string attached. And I love business we are dealing with.
So you tell me this one? Oh.
No, you know already. I just sex and go through. Remember, you know? You know, come on my yard if you not get the money, you know? Now, allow me to tell you? Okay. So all the time you have to check me. And when you want the money, I know say from me see you, the money you want. So you want to go on and on, you see since me buy a breakfast. When you check me, see what time. 9:59 and when you check me, around 12 o'clock. You see me? I carry go up on my room for you. You know about I'll give you money still for buy a breakfast.
Alright.
On 3,000 can buy a breakfast and something.
$1,000 more.
You want $1,000 more for the
Just give me
the
something.
breakfast I say I buy.
This can buy more $1,000 more.
You have to give me one more hour later.
Thank you.
Alright.
Bye bye.
Remember, you know, look, you know, I don't want nobody know say me in a business, you know. So just keep it low key. If you see my girl come check me in a bush or something, I dial. I see him so we are doing private thing. I don't want nobody know say me in a nothing.
Alright, understood.
You see me?
Uh-huh.
So if you see me the other woman, you know, if you catch my feelings, you know. Alright, look, come on.
Alright.
Tajay? Tajay? Yes? Morning, what me, alright?
Yeah, man, long time no
Man,
see.
the good me have something to talk to you about though. You can go in the room or you want to sing about it. So. Okay. So, may I hear some good things about you out of road. Me no want to believe it. And me just have to talk to you about it, right? You hear my call me in some scamming thing. My son tell me say I'm not true. Me no want you know there so this year them a kill people on road now for nothing at all. So me no want you get involved in them things and if you me I beg you please stop it. And a good thing. Me no want have to bury you. Me no like it. Yeah, me good people me I raise you from nothing. Me wash clothes, me work for people, me do everything for raise you. Me no raise you for that. Tajay, please look for me, Tajay, me I talk to you. Me no want you know there something there. Alright? What you have to say about it?
Mommy, if you tell you the truth, you know say we are here are true, but me really don't want to put this there. You know, because me just love the game and me feel like say me can make you out of it. But through me know say me tell you there's something I was stressed out and I'm gonna like you and then something else. But no rest else, man. Everything go good.
But you have to be careful. And you can't tell people your business. And you have to be careful of the friend them you have. Because of them said one they will rat you out and carry your name to other people and spread it all over. I mean, tell you the truth, I love it. So if you can put it down, put it down. Be careful.
Hold on, hold on. You know my pin already take off 150 then.
Hard me pick me. Me glad for it, but me not like it. Please change your lifestyle, alright? You know have to continue this. Do something constructive with the money where you make already and change your lifestyle because me no want them kill you.
I understand everything you have, so I understand so me one boy and you know what nothing to happen to me. But as I said, everything go good. You see me? As I know, I have this place here and just try to invest some more money. You see me? See if I can go upstairs in the future. You see me? So I have a whole lot of things to deal with, man. So in Jesus' name everything go good.
Tajay,
I'm go there for long.
Tajay, your mommy love you, so be careful. Alright?
Just take off the money and when I do them, let me get my picture.
Alright, God bless you.
I'm check him out, please. Alright. Yo, bad dog.
Forward no man.
I deal with father.
There,
Like, you're not working like that, man. Yeah, mostly, man.
okay, man.
So, I'm going to see how what you bang daddy.
That is, man. Mine has to calm.
Yo, I rise up for a long time and I'm going to run out a couple of numbers and I get nothing from here. So right now, check me, come check if you know more. You know no more sheets.
So from one day, I'm not to work to sheet them, though.
So yeah, deal with random.
Yeah, random.
So how me do that though? Cause sheets them make me use to. I never go random and so you have to tell me. Go chop up some work now.
Simple, man. It's like you count you right, say, you have 11 at the end.
Mm.
You got 12 and I'm making next call. 13, 14, and you go.
Yo, like, a long time I came, I wasn't near no man. Yo, me I tell you dog, me I say, you know, say, this morning, I call back, Mr. Brown though. Yeah, and I tell me, you know I'm pay fee. I tell him some $1,000 fee and him go like, you know, pay.
Oh, dear, no.
Like,
Me
me go,
call me buck, you know, them bad, man. The name in my shoes.
eh.
I feel like a joke. Or there's some different thing I deal with that. That's why you see me just there going easy.
So you say, you're forward on the office and now or
Then later I'm in circle.
so what you know?
Alright, man.
I'll get set up on the shopping hour and then go start do random them, okay? You know some money I've been making of that.
It's
So,
alright, man.
alright.
Yeah, I'm going to spend the
I
right.
reach it enough.
Yeah, man.
Alright, in general. It's a random.
Yeah, it's going random in life.
Alright.
That's it.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm hungry now.
I'm hungry too.
So we go eat.
I don't even know.
Not day in the kitchen, so I can't around this. So
Guess if I go shop go buy something then.
yeah, money. Come broke right now.
See, me have come in my purse still, but me tell that food can and something. Just want something, you know, like maybe some porridge or something. I'm not sure.
After parish can full belly.
Alright, come on, girl. I'll wash up. I'll wash up for your food. I'll go, you know?
Okay. Hurry up now.
Wait up. I'll try to put the money again.
Yeah, father. Kid, I pray me G. Me a minute now. Yo, I wish feel that.
You're not worried about she. I mean, if you're
Yo, come out and say me that, man. What do you mean about me not worry about she?
I mean, are you in the things that you and she?
Me and you in a what? You know, say I go against me line them and me tell her do. Listen me now, me tell her say me don't in a nothing. Anything between me and you, I just wanna go through it, me tell her. Me and no relationship business. You see me? All the time you come on me yard when you want money, you know. I get like a front with you, you know. You see me? You know, come on me yard and give me no like free nothing. Anytime you come, me have to spend money around 10 grand, 12 grand. You see me? So listen to me and say no string attached between me and you. So if me tell you say I want a girl, you give me a girl and I need a girl in a day right now.
Yes,
Watch you know? I pray her, you know. Right now me I pray her.
But
I really like her.
you see, in order to get her, you know how me love money. So in order to get her, you have to give me like a funds. And then me think about it.
Boy, you love money. So how much money so you want? I know we are trying to do, because I feel like if me and her things, the money will cut down.
But of course, I want 5 grand.
Why you know easy, you know? So you say I can get her an idea?
Maybe.
Hold on, let me get money, hold on.
Thank you.
Yo, make sure I get the girl, you know. I remember in the main and nothing, you know.
Whatever.
I still come down to Delhi sometime.
Bye.
Alright.
Why are you special feeling, man?
Can't do that. Because I know fame. crash it on me. I eat that skin.
Me say, well,
But
we
that's
gonna share, brother.
But that's still a pick. Oh. I want to go to something.
Namaste.
I want to say mad, that's my money spent.
Alright.
I go good, I have to go people. By the time I come out, it must start. Alright. Hello?
Yo, you deal with the crime, eh?
Oh, no, she in her bathroom when she come home and talk to her.
Call her right now, man. Come in and make you take my money and I'm gonna get the link, you know.
Alright. Brittany.
Don't hang up off my phone, one year what you say.
Whatever.
Just don't make it look obvious.
Come here.
No, you just made a batch of my ass. Why you
I have something to talk to you about.
for that?
I have one chopper friend I want you.
You what?
You know, hear me say one real chopper we spend millions for your big money and something.
Girl, don't get me on the wrong side. You remember me tell you the other day, me tell you I don't want no chopper man. Me no want no man like them want man independent. You see they deal with me? Eh? You see chopper they deal with me no want no man like that. They come. Girl, don't come to me them with foolishness. You call me out of the bathroom to tell me this year. Girl, me rather want a man who you try, you see me? If I even buy one bread for the 2 away, for share for go with bed, me work with that. Me don't want a chopper man. Me don't want my man money come in so easy. Hard working money me want. You just make 2 then I say hello this that right. Money flying quick. It no work for it.
But girl, you not fear go on so. That the man didn't say like the man will beat girl, you know say for that you worry about, you not worry about that.
Look here, me not chat about no.
Calm down now.
Don't tell me to calm
I
down.
want simple something to say to you, my love.
Look here. Me not worry about no beating, cause first thing first, no man can put them hand on me, you see me? So, if I beating, you not worry about me not worry about no beating.
You want hard-working man.
Hard-working
After
man.
nothing wrong with it, scammer them.
So if nothing wrong with them, one cannot go into a scammer then and leave me alone. Girl, back off here, man. I'm getting upset.
Hello?
Yo, so I'm sure if you're going, so.
I don't know what make him a gallant son like I say scammer all that bad. Look how you treat me nice and something. You don't understand.
I pill me and take my money. But here, the sense as you can work on yourself, because I'll feel like I'll tell her that for sister too, you know. So the sense as you can work on it, I go get her myself. Don't worry yourself, I know what I'm going to do.
I hear you.
Because I say you know what I get her, so do you do one? I know say you do something like that.
Whatever, later. Come on from phone.
Do your thing. Morning.
You desperate, man?
Calm down, man. You know, if you're in a life, anything more, I have to feed you. Now, your friend, I call her.
Brittany. Not a day up here.
Yeah, me.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You know, want the place cut, may I walk a man boy plate, you know. Run outside, you see.
Well, we don't have no money right now, so I guess you have to come back when we have the money.
Alright then.
Anyone said the only way you go do it unless you do it, and when you're done and whatever, and we have the money we can't come give you.
Alright then, no problem. I know I lay you, you know. So I'm not kill you, no. I get your money and make me get you, you see me?
Alright.
Alright, so I'll deal with it then. Anything I call you. Hello?
Hello?
You can get some of my water and have in the place and some pipe water or ice water.
Alright.
Rent to come to your current place.
Well, yes.
Oh, so how long you done here?
Um, well, you know.
Like 6 months or 1 year.
No reach a year, is it?
Oh. The hairstyle turn up down like it, you know?
Thank you.
You know, the kitchen looks fun, clean and good and thing.
Yeah, we can do that. So when I finish, I will look at the rest.
So your water for free, so I'll try to look for you, make you see. Like a smile and everything, man. Like you know, a nice lady boy place, man, you know?
Yeah.
When I'm there, man, I go on the work, man, you know?
Alright, if I'm not
Respect for your
yours.
water, you know?
Alright, when I finish, you look at my call.
Mm-hmm. Done your work, you know?
Alright.
So, you can put back in the cup of the water for me here.
Alright,
Like when I want more water, I have to come because I'm not even go shop and get some sweet water. There, your water alone sweet, maybe I try to see sweet. But me, I have to take my number though, so you can call me when ready to give me a thing.
yeah, sir. I'll be safe because
My name Tajay, but I don't know if you want to save it as my king.
Tajay is good.
Alright, so see you guys soon.
Alright.
Alright.
Bye. Yeah, touch my finger, I'm not taking food.
Pictures on me, so you look
How me look?
good for once.
First thing first, I feel you're boring or something, say.
Whatever.
Some idea.
I got crutch, man.
If you're not enough to talk, boy, it make no sense to talk, yeah? Stupid chat. Anyways, I'm not saying something that's boring and I'm going to go to the shop and buy something. You see me?
Okay then. You can't box something for me.
Give me money.
They can't buy it out here, man.
My money on there can't go shop it all done.
Oh, you mean?
Me no mean. If money will make it $1,000, make it $1,000, I plan to spend on the sale. And I can't carry one, even a bag juice I want sweet me bring it back. I still something I get.
Okay. There's if you appreciate the little things so that you know.
Okay. Look for you money now, no money.
Alright, boss.
Hello, beautiful.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Well, nice seeing you.
Nice.
Yeah, it come like as me see the sun just start shine out bright.
I shop me a clothes.
Seem like your smile bright. Oh, shop clothes man, but
That me I see.
like from I come over here, I come cut the place. Like I can't stop dream boy and think boy. Every minute I wake up in the night, but just imagine a nice beautiful face with a smile. Well, like rain come down so I make it go through fast. I know some cousin have one place though where you have one room up there some other like see. May I go over there if I even know I will spend 1 2 days over there and enjoy it. But anything you go to shop go buy just make up and buy something. You hear?
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, my number this, so just meet me up right now. I'm wait for you. So work before you
Alright, I
come
get
down.
me things then. Just wait for me underneath the shop right there. So here,
Alright.
me I come.
Alright.
Come back. Well, I'm not getting out of shop because the shop locked. And I couldn't bother to walk to the next shop because somebody away from me out there. So, me I go, alright. You see the youth when they cut the all the time, the Waka youth. You know, stop my friend, that girl.
Wait, Waka youth?
The Waka youth, you know, stop my friend, that. So, me and him did a talk this a while ago, and he said, well, me and him go up and cousin yard, go hang out for 2 days. So I said, why not go with him? And I said, girl, told the youth nice. Just a while ago, I the last $200 in name. And he give me and say if he doesn't make up and buy anything with me and buy the shop. So I said, alright then, a good man. See, I'm my type, they go take a man to me and look for you, see me? So I go take up my stuff them, and in 2 days time I see me back. So we keep in touch.
Wait. So what make I cause the place in my Cargo? You have being place in Cargo?
I say, in cause I got over foreign and left him with the house to stay. Which he say, like what they say, I stay, I mean, if you go there for 2 days, you see me? Because you know, I can't go film place kind of really appropriate, you see me? So I must say, as I try new, I understand with him. Here, so
Yeah.
I just have to work with if you know until such.
Alright then, just keep me in contact here and let me know if you're good.
Alright,
Keep yourself safe, you know?
then no more, from there on, you must see.
Can't trust him, Alright, later.
Alright. Be safe.
You too, so
Enjoy. I will say yourself now.
Right.
Mash it down.
Well, at least to meet the rain still. Okay, so as I said before, here so like Mura say like a keep on here, I'm looking for keep on here. So some of my stuff there over here as you can see. You see me? Yeah man, you can sit down man. From here so I see me and see it to you man, you know. To the place I'm just sleep here. I'll make sure it's very good, but we can start talk back still. Because they are foreign, I don't know when they come back, so we have to go and respond to the place. Understand? So, I made that tell up on the phone when you need to go back for your stuff, they make me that call and tell you. Yeah, because they are foreign and I tell you for the scare clothes and the said time. So, what's the name again though? Brittany, right? And where you come from originally? I made the upside time and I never train and you can even tell me.
Well, I'm from. What is name again? Butter Street.
Oh boy, you look hot though, like heat.
Yeah.
More cooler. Hold on, turn on the fan for you. Like we're hot and go on cooler, okay?
Made a pain with bother.
One pill. Alright, so differently, as I tell her, my name is Kaji and very hard working, isn't it? I'm 22. Difficulties make me have to take up the walker, isn't it? And
Just try out another year, right? Anything I got to know.
I don't really make a bag of money from you, but I just try to save what I can save and try to make sure everything is good. So I'm trying my best to make sure so I can take care of you. Try to make sure the food can there on the table at daytime. Try to make sure that they ask me to do here anything. I try to do it with me, but maybe if you ask me today, you're not going to do it today. Maybe it will take a week because I said walk around. So
That's
not
the
gonna
way
make
I
sense.
try.
So you look really beautiful. I think may work out for long still, but after rain not fall away, so we can take one shower. Or next topic. Anything you say, I'm not.
How would you say no at the first year? I'm just gonna get comfortable in the first.
Get yourself comfortable then. You hold a fresh start. You me wet up on the dam. You know, this one worry.
So let's take a bath soup. I'm already getting it.
Alright, I'll take a bath. Alright.
Yeah? It's gonna come on.
I like your love around the stove. You can see they are one good water and you come in and stop a cook in place.
Say no more smell that now.
So we are cooking now.
I just want to do something I did, yeah. Okay. I'm not cook nothing I can say. Banana, crushed banana with butter. Do you want some?
You know, some of the things I told you I cook for you, I can say me
You
don't
know,
want some.
what we take long time? Long too long butter. That nice, you know? When it's hot.
Yeah, me use something there some of the time and so what you have to do, you know?
Yeah, I'll go some. But don't have to know that.
So you just put on some clothes or something, so just go and look over here. If anything you call me in my room, okay?
Alright, yeah. The thing I look about it, God know. From the top, both of us feel.
Now go ahead.
Alright. Meat, flour. Meat, go shop with this. Something that look nice.
Babe, you know, so I go up on the work, bro.
Oh, so that, no?
Yeah. I have 2 years to cut down on my hand, try to pay my partner today. So, I got me a deal with today.
Oh.
So,
Yeah, after I know you go.
yeah, I know me I go.
Yeah, so I said, I'm good.
You want me to say still, but I have to go over the Monday, you know?
Yeah, let me settle.
So enjoy your day, anything you call me here.
Wait, I love you.
I love you too. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Listen, no, listen to me, ma'am. This is not a scam, okay? As I'm saying, you are the first place winner, okay? We are doing a give back promotion to our vulnerable customers, okay? So you have selected, we have selected you guys randomly, okay? And as I said before, you have won $2.5 million, okay? No, ma'am, listen to me, ma'am. Okay, so get yourself a clean sheet of paper and your writing pen, and I'll provide you your winner's information. Okay. Yes, so the first thing you're gonna have put down in your book now, you're gonna write down the company you win the money from, okay? Which is the Publishers Clearinghouse. Are you hearing me? Bomba woman hang up. Dial one more number. What do you do? Oh. Yeah, I'm tired, you know? I left my working clothes, my machine, so I'm deal and I put my putty over this. So, I got 10 grand to this, so let's get some things in my house, sorry.
The shopping?
You know what, Chapin, just buy yourself a beer or something. Yes, I can go to work tomorrow. No, man, you're good, man.
No, look here.
No, man, look here, man.
You work the money, me
No,
take
listen,
one, you
man.
take one.
Listen,
Me no
I
want
have
to
nothing
do.
to deal with like that, and I'm a genuine young man. I have nothing to deal with. So just take
But,
your money.
oh, you
No,
just
listen,
give me
man.
all your money.
Tomorrow I can't make you back, man. Tomorrow I can't make you back and get supermarket.
You have money for you now?
No, man. Just listen
Okay.
and worry about yourself. Hold on, man.
Just come the man, just take one.
I
Just
understand,
take one.
sir.
If you love me, take one. You love me?
Alright, yeah, that I use and kill me.
So me take one, you take one, put it in the jar.
Alright,
Matter of
so-
fact, give me it. You put one in my jar, and one in your jar.
But say I don't feel replace it, so
No, you don't be like that anyway. One is the one.
alright, so I'm gonna get a shower. You shower?
Yeah.
No, let me close them left in there. Too light.
No,
Be
you
there now,
like,
baby.
no.
Come on, answer from good. Because I know them that close them left in there this morning.
You did that, put the one back.
Don't
God,
come
I told just like the same I have.
on. Come on.
I told Jess.
Come on.
You tell me no one. Sure. You take all their word.
Why from morning it does look wonderful. So. Not even if you know hairstyle look wonderful.
And you know that already.
Oh, yourself, man. I go spend money for you, know. Just wait till things work out. Go get bigger hairstyle and so. But anyways, we plan for eating in the morning after breakfast.
Well, what you want to eat? Me eat anything you eat.
Well, with a maybe macaroni and cheese or maybe egg. You know.
Yeah, macaroni and cheese sound good. And some tea.
Tajay! Tajay!
I'm gonna try to see if we can get to your shop still.
Alright. Y'all going home?
Yeah, like somebody I call, but the voice sound like my mother. Hold on. I'll come. Mommy!
Yes? How we are to make it take so long for you open the door?
I show me around in my room and I'm here.
Okay. You alright?
Yeah, man, I'm there. Going
Oh,
easy.
me bring back this for you. And thanks again. God bless you.
Yeah, man, I know some of the call and tell us to take it off through long in a care back and so but.
Oh,
If
man,
me just
me alright. I'm satisfied. I want you to be careful.
Yeah, man, no
So-
problem.
Please tidy up your place. Look alright.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you going here? What different thing you going?
There are something more look for breakfast.
Can go on there?
Yeah, man.
Oh, backside you have visitor. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Tajay, ma'am.
My name is talk to
I'm
you,
his
man.
girlfriend.
Oh. Yeah, girlfriend, you never tell me this.
So, man, so my name get to talk to you as yet.
So how long you have girlfriend? So what is your name?
Brittany.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Okay, Miss Sonia.
Okay.
Alright, so on the motive, on the plans.
Just there, I'll go on easy, breakfast, no one go get in the morning for me and her. You eat her?
Yeah, you know, so I make like a porridge already this morning and thing. You know, me early rise and make me like a porridge and clean up and something. But say I want to come catch you because if you have any plan to go. So, nice meeting you. Me come back one time and we talk again, alright?
Alright.
I want to be careful. Take care of my son. You love me, son?
Yeah, I love us.
You sure?
That's right.
Take care of her. Now put your hand on her. Now put your hand on people. Girl, beat me. Me I warn you. If you can't make it, you separate. And separate peacefully. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright? God bless you, Union. Hope everything alright. And the sweetheart life thing, you know, if you belong. Alright? Take care of yourself. Tajay, walk me out. So Tajay, something we had to talk about the other day.
Yeah, what a reason, what I see. Because certain things me and I get to sit down and talk about him.
And for you now come check me and say nothing.
Yes, my girlfriend in there, so. She don't know, say, me I do is scamming. It's me like, she and a person will like scammer man, so me I hide it from her. I tell her, say, house in there, so. I feel my cousin. And I just stay in there until he come down and gone overseas. So that's why when you say it to me, I try for you, because if you don't make she know nothing, or I try to pick up nothing. Because if you know some me a scammer, I feel like she gone. So I try to spend less round her, or, you know, I don't try to overspend if you ask me how me I get so much money. And I don't really tell him my work, I tell me say I sound like a yard work, I like rake up place.
That's a good girl, because me and she dep on the same page, because I don't love it neither.
Mommy, you just have to understand, say, I reach the age, I'm a big man, so.
Me I try to understand, I know me can't live your life for you, but you have to be careful.
Mommy.
Yes, but sometimes you know good, I know everything, money. Sometimes you have to start from scratch, son. You have to take your time, creep before you walk. Come in, want end up like some of them boy up in a lane up there, so you have to be careful. And if your girlfriend no want you to do it, try and cut off it. Try use the money and invest in something.
But mommy, listen, I said money.
Tell her
Make
say
me can the right place right now. Make you can get a big money.
Tell her say your mother have some money saved and she will give you it if you do a business. Use the little money where you have and do the business. Act like I say, and me give you the money if you do the business. And then take yourself out there and pick me. Save your girlfriend and save your mother. Because nowadays, you know, pop, my son, nowadays, you know, when you come kill you, then kill she, then come kill me too.
Mommy, I don't push no badness, but no boy can't do that.
But we never know.
Mommy, I know you talk on a different time. I can't let me scam. If you talk to me about it, me talk, me listen about scam. If I talk for listen, I don't want to listen. I love
you
it.
know what me do? I go fast and pray. If God help you, if you come out there.
I love me scam. If I tell myself to listen, I don't go and listen. But if I tell myself to invest more, I love it, I don't come out there.
Well, you invest in it and then you cut it off. That's all me I tell you. I write in me I tell you. And you know what? You're a nice girl. A nice girlfriend you have, man. Where she belongs to?
I'm coming from a boy area, man. You like him come down. One of my friends they said to link for me. Girl.
So you don't know her parents and all this something.
When I get for reach, I said, but we're so reach.
Alright, so find out her background and something. If a nice girl, be nice and make your relationship work and change up your lifestyle. You can change up your lifestyle, man. You can change it, flip it around. You know you can flip it around, man. Sometimes you know you understand you get carried away, you start off with certain things and the money sweet you or whatever. But when we have to remember the danger behind it, remember there's a danger behind it. So if you can switch it around and just take your time and gradually come out of it and pray to God, God will help you. And me I pray for you to my son. You hear?
Mama, say a jinx, why a jinx, man?
You don't have to give me nothing more.
Why a jinx, man?
Me alright, you give me as much
You
already.
good?
Yes man, me alright. Me good, me alright. You give me as much and me satisfied. You understand? It's not all about the money. It's not all about the money. It's about our safety and the love we have for you. I'm one boy pick me. I mean I want to lose you. Alright?
Alright.
Me I go back down, so take care of yourself.
Alright.
And tell your girlfriend, I said, by next time we can go out, we can cook for her or something, and we can have a good evening together, alright?
Alright, later.
Alright, take care.
Ticklish na naman. Around me though.
But I thought that I might make the body a pass a year like me, I do something and I think it's you.
Yeah. Stop ticklish me.
That ball up.
Stop lick me. Oh, sorry. Slap. Come on, give me a hug. Oh, give me a hug.
I go out of the
No, what's coming up? I am sorry. Sorry, no? So where they going to for this? Come here, no? Give me a hug.
No.
You don't know for
I don't know for ramp. I don't like them something that we have to talk out.
What?
But stop licking. Yeah.
But me so sorry, I'm still a joke. I joke me there, make you hear. I saw.
Come like a eater to my friend.
No, okay. This is so sweet. I can't give me a hug.
Bill on bill.
Just stop. Go. Make it stay. Go on. I have forced nobody to check me.
Yes, always. Anytime we have one good mood, just try for broke my vibes.
I am sorry.
Yo, take off.
When they go say they are bug me up.
Take off the clothes.
I know that.
Take off the
Stop
clothes.
now, leave me alone.
Take off the clothes.
I stop going so. Yeah, what?
You not give me nothing.
What?
I go on the road.
Go on the road, go do what? Just come here, man.
So I not tell us
So
some
we can
more.
have a nice day together.
So I not tell us some more something you going like you know.
Oh, so when you're on the road, you go get it, go on.
Never say me I go on the road. Go get it.
Obviously, I tell you, go to the try tell me.
So how you know want give me? Other somebody I touch it.
Bill. Just Bill. Go ahead.
Bring them back some blood. Go over the vibe plan myself.
Yeah, go on and see your hand. Yes, sorry.
I'm just walk out the argument there. You say I go on the road, go to
I'm just telling you something about my best friend.
So, all I'm asking over there, or so.
I'm not sure. Maybe that's going to be with her.
Alright then, so, I don't think I go on no work. I just think I take a day off. Think to them, I just build back.
You want to build back on the day one time, yeah, boy.
Are you one way?
I mean, want to go just because I feel saying you're there, go work. That's why I say I go over there. But I already tell her something I come,
No,
so I not go
I did get a call to go cut a yard today. Yes, me, but somebody called me back and said, through rainfall last night, so if it rainfall, I can't cut the yard. So tomorrow I have to deal with it. So
yeah,
So if sun shine out hard today, tomorrow I deal with it.
I
If
mean-
rainfall.
Maybe me not alright.
Go and
Maybe
check
me
your
not
friend.
stay long over there then.
Go and check your friend, man. Me have say, maybe me I'll check out my mother today too. No, they are yeah, maybe me just check my mother. So just go on and come back.
Alright then, later.
Alright.
Bye.
Okay, love you. Be safe on the road.
Same to you.
Alright. Hello? Yes, have you sent it off already? Okay, so yes, so congratulations on your winnings and thanks again, okay? Okay. Oh, fuck. Big money chop. Oh my god, dog. Oh. Yo, me tell them, so we have to make it, you know. Yo, Bob. Yo, link me pa my black the bad bro. Me have a pre-show right now, urgent. Yeah, man. In a money man baptized. Father man see, door open. Fall up on the balcony. Yo, a big shot in my dog.
What you say?
Those boga giant. I mean, yo, because client I'm on. No man, I'm only me collect father man. A big client man, me just call the client I'm on. And the client can send off your money so. You pick up your dog, you do it thing go. A scamming we love.
Yo, a long time for a fool, let me say.
Yo, no boy can chat to
We
me
say
now
it's the
dog.
strength of a banger.
Oh you mean man? No boy. A long time we have been in a dog. Long time we in a game.
I want to check it out. I want to check it out.
You know say, I 3 million do my father. And plus if you sell one, if you send a couple more ponies, you see me?
That's your graphics later.
Oh you mean man?
Jesus.
No boy man, no boy.
Time
Can't
to
do this
bang,
thing man. You see me? If you send piece of food more pony, you see me? I want 10, you know say I want 10 mil, I chop him door and make him give me a gift card. You know? And he say he must send out 3 now. And a week he send the rest side, so you know say a big chop my dog. Yo. So yo, what your boy talk about deal with?
Yo, I don't know that. It does.
Oh, boy, my father.
So, a 3 million US.
Eh?
3 million US.
Yeah man.
Jesus.
You ain't that listen me I say?
Yeah, me did listen what you asked about your share. You said 3. Oh, yes, it's true.
Yeah man, so me tell him say 10 mil me chop him man, but a 3 can't reach me now.
Oh.
Yeah man, a big chop man. So you know you think a link up to come on bra for daddy.
See,
You know say a new car on the block. Oh,
That the man there.
Toga.
Yeah.
I link him man. Toga good man.
A long time for all the clients still know.
Yeah man, a bra fins man. So you know where going on. When the money reach I foot my link, you see me come and pick up
I
it.
go down on the road actually.
Yo,
and say,
big Benz a push out man, you see me?
Alright,
Yeah,
father. Now
yeah
look at
man. Alright, I'm chilling. I'm lucky though.
Yo. So, I preach. Say I did my idea.
I'm stressed out, dog.
So what going on?
Like somebody called up my client, dog, but I call my client, but now I get to my client, brother. Somebody
Well,
called up my
I'm
client,
going
brother.
to talk to your boy. Your boy,
I'm
tell
not
her
the
go
boy
on.
here, but no man.
Listen to me, if your boy tell her go on.
Oh God.
The dog say book a client.
Yes.
Man say book a client, a big food, but all the female could have come through. I tell the dog, but all the cheap could have fall through. No too long, go link it down and dog, let me know what you want.
You know, say like that boy that called up my client though.
You feel so?
You mean if you feel so? You know that link me already. You know that. And that's something and then the man then roll you out. The man know that link me already.
You say, yo, me ask me if you link
You know so the boy they have to get program like
that.
that.
Man, if you link in and that, so them say, you know, say, you're a good man. So I say, you know, understand.
Yo.
You say,
No,
I pay
the
you.
boy they have to get program like that. Look, I'm in a ramp when they come to my
Go
page.
page, go where you do. Go page.
Who that?
Me girl.
Me who?
You know me nice.
Oh. Look how
Hi, boy.
Hi. Come on in.
Me say me have to go look for you this morning. And me come out like a fan dirty style. Why not?
So what happened?
Me there go and take it easy.
You know, I'm see me. Look how long you don't see me.
Me know.
My son.
So yeah, deal with look at time gone.
Yeah, me did just had this one called house rent. You know, see, your place look kind of neat.
Kinda neat from the left side look.
Whatever, me
Left
try.
side, that the pillowcase now change on the sheet.
Stop this.
God, I feel busy
Stop
coming.
embarrass me.
I'm not embarrassed, but if you check, could I see him stay with the come up here?
I don't really matter about that, yeah, man.
So I won't lie for you.
It good so far, me I try to get a little work and thing.
You not get no work yet?
Mm-hmm.
So how you live? What feed you?
I'm scared, man. You know if you say nothing, you know. How you and your relationship are go?
Girl, to tell you the truth, my life is perfect. You see me? In my work, and in buy when can buy for me, working little money, go doing work and coming back, you see me? Which the house might have enough for my thing because I'm overseas, I understand that. And I take it easy if you try to build a house in itself, you see me? So life good, man. Life fun.
Hello? What's up? Mm-hmm. Alright.
Hello?
What you say now?
Eh? How you mean, Pical? I mean?
I don't understand.
Alright, somebody attacked you, know? Me do something now. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Alright.
He has me as me not understand.
Me just left out the house, you know? Some boy. Well, I'm try to build a house himself, you see me, if you try to make life easy and stuff, because you know I'm living in nobody's house for too long. I understand that. It's a good man. And I just go and take it easy upon him because I know it's hard. And yeah. I love my relationship, I not love my life.
I can't be like you know. Money I feel come in every day.
Maybe if me have a scammer man, my life would have miserable. But my life do not miserable because me have a scammer man. Yeah. We have no fun times, we're around, we go this so girl. We are alright, we're up like a little picnic sometimes. And them relationship that me I look for. If you wanna just suck up and say money, this, that, money. Girl, no, so everything is not all about money. You need to find real love out there. You need love.
Then, who tell you say me not find real love?
Love for and the money you love and the man you love.
When you there when we go hotel and something, go a big party,
Look here,
have vodka, Hennessy, all of them there.
First thing first. Hennessy, hotel and them something they no mean anything. Little things matters. When you can just be on the yard and cook little food and drink two juice.
Who say we don't do that?
No yet, but tell me that time so look at
Well, just know so we do all of them there. Much more than what you and your so-called man do. Alright?
I like how your son, trust me.
Oh, my son.
You know what I go to soccer, I can't bother the argument.
No, oh, my son.
No bother with it, me can't bother the argument, so just rest it right
Oh,
here.
come ready for you open up my market mouth.
So, if you say your market won't bigger than mine, that's true. What fun with this, yeah? Anyways, we are the for the day.
I not even know I have no plans now, I can't go.
Maybe. Which pretends you ever hear me and come so out, but go call my things me I go somewhere then. Still. Well, alright. I think I just go up a yard, doesn't me? Just follow me go halfway.
Alright, come on.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, sir. Yourself a clean sheet of paper.
Yeah, boy.
Yo. So all of them have a dog. I set up business.
You see, you don't expect this one here.
So yo, all you dog, man, that's a reason me to make money. So
Man, take all of my money.
All of which client? You don't understand no talk about that.
Yo.
Yo, dog, I'm a virgin in the dog.
What you are doing now?
For the less school where I scam down to make money on you.
Code up my client.
Call up which client, dog, I don't know no shop about dog.
Boy, no.
Dog, a random about my client, you know.
What kind of random? And my client, yeah,
Which client, they give me client, dog. Yo, look, on the leg off my banger, dog. What kind of style that you know they on you with? A random about my client, brother. And show me if I make big money, dog.
Let me see now.
Brother, I love me now show no man my number, dog. I'm to the dog, a bad man.
Yo, let me see now.
Yo, no even. Dog, now if you kill me, dog, me now go on you. How can I think this on the depend, dog? All you, brother. Me there saw a reason this morning, brother. Brother, when you look in
yo.
my room, brother, look.
Mix.
Look for my shoes, them, all of my shoes, them.
Brother,
I work
right
hard for that, brother.
Right
Look for my
now.
TV, brother.
So, oh, you not come tell me, say you're bingo.
No, but all along, me building the place for scamming. Me building the place for scamming all along. And now I'm free. That. So show me make a bigger money than
Nah,
money
man,
I
you
make.
would come to me and say, yo, Ray, my bingo, you know.
Me just get a call. I'm a call this man I said time down.
Yo, you need to know what I'm
I mean, brother, I'm not just
Nah,
let
let
me
me
play.
play.
Badness, no dog.
Yo.
No man, I get none out of my money dog. If I badness,
I
no
need
pray
to
that me
know
no pray
what
to them
I
dog.
want me client today.
Me not claim for you, brother, so I just let me place dog.
Think a joke.
If I badness, I badness dog. I just let me place. Yo, I just let me place.
Some boy.
I let me place, brother. Me start. Since as a badness dog, I just let me place, brother. I let
Yo.
me place. I let me place, my brother. I'm not a good
me
friend,
not
brother.
talk again.
I just let me place. I just let me place. Go on, brother. Go on, man. Go on,
I'm
brother.
forward back
If I badness, you not pray me place badness, brother.
No,
Go on,
I'm
man.
forward.
Hey, boy. Go ahead, man. Yo. Where you go?
Don't go ask me where me I go.
So where you pack up your bag go?
Don't worry yourself about that. Oh, so all along me in a relationship, I be a lie, not true?
What do you mean be alive?
Be a lie, a scammer. Think good, man.
Me no want to tell you all of this because if you tell you all of this you would want to be with me.
Me no business, just leave me alone. Me done with all of them. Lie over me, I go through that this year.
But me no want to
So when you gonna just explain and tell me?
because you say you don't want a scammer, so me no want you know say me a scammer.
But you tell lie. You lie to me all this. Brother, it's
But
just
I
come.
want to yes, look at my
Just
because I really love me. Me just don't want to get it. So me
Oh,
just
you
do
don't
that.
go no love.
Me just do that to just tell you something just to get it because me no want
I
you.
say you sure enough to people by telling them lie.
No, I just one lie. This all
One
of this,
lie?
Alright, me tell you the truth. All of this place are mine. I know for my cousin, I tell you say, me I do keep and care work for him. I feel me place this. No, I just because
Don't touch me. Don't do it. Do not.
all that money them when you think me I spend on, what you think of this make
So
you
where
get
the
all that money. This. You know if you go on so this make we can get up in the morning and eat breakfast. This make we can buy gas.
But a lie to me, that's the point.
Yeah, but me tell you
Me
something,
never
sorry.
really care how much money you want to have. Because me the girl run down money.
So you're trying to say I walk out of my life, right?
I walk out because I lie to me and me in all of this situation here.
So you done.
Don't.
So you just really can't just give me a chance.
Me not give you no chance.
But understand,
You
so me
lie.
like
Me
me-
can't believe nothing when you see again.
But I just one lie me ever tell. Me
One
just tell
lie?
you, so me tell you so I'm
That
not a
is not
scammer.
one lie.
Just if you forget
I
it.
hear house this, you tell
Yes.
a lie upon that say your cousin house.
But I one lie, everything mixed in a one.
That's why if a lady will come in here, there, your mother will tell you.
I'm a mother. That the lady there, I'm a mother.
So she knows you're just scamming?
Just leave that to me.
Think.
Me I tell you something sorry. Just think about it and give me a chance, man. I really love you, you know.
Sorry, but this is not going to end well. Sorry. Me happy sure I did that before. I'm afraid to come back.
Just
Me
give
I
me a
come back
chance,
to the
no?
rest of the things them. Leave me alone. When you see me on the right, walk on the left. If you see me on the left, walk on the
Yeah,
right.
baby.
Stop touch me now, man. Stop.
Just easy enough.
Don't touch me. Do not. Can't believe this. After me there with what of good things and me come back early. And at this me come back counting, not true.
All of this is just a big misunderstanding. You know, if you create a big problem about it.
Mother, call me.
I'm hang up, call him. Hello? Yo, man, cool for the man.
See me so. Oh, you come back to stay with me?
No, I don't want to.
What happened? How what happened?
I'm going to house I told you.
Come.
I can't even know what happened. Girl, I can't don't even know what happened.
How
You mean if you tell me, say, the man a scammer?
Oh yeah, I said to me, I don't know him as that the type of boy. They know what can my name be?
Where you don't know bigger than you. After you tell me say the boy a good boy, the boy this and in that. And the next thing they also have up there a film house in chat boy cousin house. I don't think cousin house.
Bombard. I thought me never know. But at the same time, I run out of richness, my friend. You know no sense. I want to you.
Girl, look here. Me a person like this, me not run down richness, you hear? I love and loyalty me deal with. You mean me tell me say me go up there? If me never hear many friend them a customer chat about thief client and one bag of some, I don't know say boy a scammer. I don't know that.
All me have to say is, me and you are friends for years now, and me never know say you're so fool, brother.
Me fool.
You know no sense.
You not have no sense because I run down money. Me not run down money. Me rather work me money or him work his money. You see me? Him not work money. That the boy then not work money.
Either way, you know no sense.
Okay.
I get richness and I run my friend.
Let me run my friend.
You know no sense, man.
I don't run. Me no there. Me no there. Me no there.
Brittany not there here now.
Bert.
She not there here.
I mean Brittany not there. Where's Brittany for gonna? So why am I to come?
She's not here.
You know, me just feel like say, you set me up.
What you mean by that?
Yeah, money I tell me should
Me alright. No want your money.
You look like you know if I have to choke or you don't refuse money. So you don't know what Brittany find out so me ask you now.
No, yeah, you get it now? Oh, yeah, allow to make that happen.
Yo, I want a long story, right? May wait up.
Alright, later.
I have to find Brittany today. She can't live out of my life like this, because I'm real her. Alright, look come on.
Ah. Come up, my girl, come down.
What did I chat about?
Boy, you really can't sit and you can't allow for you to come out of your life. I offer me money to you, know? What me look like?
Oh, my friend, you don't take it because you love money.
You know?
You love money.
That's what I'm saying.
You're there.
Easy.
You're there chat about rich man.
Brittany. You talk now? Girl, stop sharing me some man. You're not hungry, you don't want something to eat. You don't want nothing to eat. Oh, you that little girl here. Not time I see a man here stress over make you not want to eat nothing.
Girl, you don't even know me I go through. Yeah, talk.
Girl, get up, man. And I like say a cheat for you. All you do is in tell you a lie saying you own a house and you own it. Tell you saying you scam when you actually scam. That's not enough for you sit down and get depressed bowl. Get up and cheer up yourself now. Get up, man. Get up.
Stop touching me, man.
Come on, get up out. Get
Girl,
up.
I don't want nothing to eat. I'm just want to lie down, man.
Yeah, idiot. At first, girl, me see a man yam over one little idiot boy.
Idiot boy, but I want me there with the idiot boy, though, not true?
Get up.
Girl, basic, go on, get go on, please. It's very nice,
Tell you say I idiot in a boy, you not listen to me. You not no sense, you.
no.
about this.
But they are still not think about all like good times that me and him did have. And the Lord did have with each other. And stuff there, all that just gone 2 years.
Well, all I have to say to you is, you know, say you never catch me with another girl. So.
But that's the point, me. I wave my mind if I could give my next chance or not. But I don't even know. He lied to me big time. He lied about his whole life to me.
I understand, it's all up to you still.
I don't know what to do. But trust me. I'm fed up right now.
Me
I can't eat nothing. I'm depressed. All the memories, one time we are around Panis, all of it.
I understand, but at the same time, I have to try to cheer up yourself, yeah? You can call your phone or nothing?
Well, my call my phone, but I knock it off. Because I don't want to hear nothing from him based on what he do. I never know saying what I do. At least tell me the truth, right? If you need to tell me the truth, I would have just... I have a problem with this, but I say, I would work with you. See me based on the personality when I see. I'm a nice guy, but he lied to me. I don't rate him instead of liar.
Well, I think you must just call him and tell him say you need some time to think about it.
I don't call him.
But you gotta stare at us so the person think about no memories together. Eh? All you will love food, no want eat. No girl, matter of fact, I go fry some egg, I left you here.
No.
Just stay there for me get no eating.
Life is sad. Why things have to go this way? Why we have to go on this journey? God, let's find out here, please. We can't go through this no more. It's really stressing.
Hold that. Hold that. Oh. So you still have keys to come in and me and I'm looking for your room. Let's see what's going on. Well, I'm not alright, you know, because they are trying to sleep off the pain. I don't know, say. I'm bringing in the dealings. It's partially. But you're dangerous, you know. Rain out, that's all that. And you come, what you want, you know? You want sex or you want?
Exactly, at rain time, you know what go down when you're in a farm.
What you want? No, the only thing I know you love money, you know. Right now, if you could just collect the money and not get no sex, I would that you do.
I want both of them.
Why you well serious? Because you, I know say you wish you could just collect all the money and not get no sex.
Well, just not say it what you want.
Alright. Yeah, see, when you get tired of it, you really deserve money for money. All of that is real.
Thank you.
Hold on! Hold on. And I know how to look up now. Not there, I'm on.
Busy?
No, I'm not that man.
Then I come in
So
the
I just
morning
wake
and I
up.
fall.
So I just wake up, that's
And so what?
May I talk about it, no?
So I can go in our room.
No, because I'm tired, you know. So
Me help you clean up.
I'm tired.
So you move so weird from?
I'm not.
Where you move so from? You know, better stop moving so I'm not like.
No, actually, I'm glad to see you.
You can't go to see me and I go on to stop.
Come on.
Okay. anxiety.
Yeah.
Shopping, money that.
Nobody with that. Nobody with it.
You mean nobody with
You
it?
see you come to me and talk. Nobody with it.
Me come here for the two we talk, yes, if we can work out things, but what?
I'm not hiding.
Yeah, that move
Hold
up.
on, man.
So why you
Nobody
hiding
say something
in the
like
seat
that.
already? For what? We the hiding under the bed for? You don't trust me?
No, but you don't like seats, so I don't want the argument.
You feel like come, you feel like go.
Just calm
You
down.
feel like stay
Calm
here.
down. Calm down.
You just give me a vibe to just wait, if you not stay here.
Calm down.
If you don't want me here,
Hold
just
on,
listen that you know.
listen. No more here, okay? As I said before, I'm really sorry for everything what I do and the lie I tell you. It's more to forgive me.
You don't need to fear touch me right now. You just like.
But you know I love you, right?
Me
Who
don't
is for
know.
something I'm telling you?
Because you're a liar, they can't tell me say you love me, you don't love me.
Who is
You're-
for something I'm telling you? Yes.
Stop now. Yeah, stop me, let me go. You said a boy, I'm mad.
No.
How you look serious, Loco?
No, I bed me and fix up and say, so it's me telling
Yeah, all of a sudden you're around people in a run gang fix bed. But she broke vibes, bro.
So, wait, so we can fix back things?
I will be hard, you must
Oh, so, listen, we can fix back things?
I'm not sure, really.
Just calm down, no man.
You lied to me, maybe you are lying to me about something else, I don't know.
Think about it. Because you know I really love you already. I have to just look back.
Alright,
You catch
if
me
it-
with a woman. Hold on, you catch me with a woman there.
No, I didn't, but look
Okay.
here. Promise me if we do back in the relationship, no lies.
No, I'm telling no more, right?
Promise?
Yes.
You don't sound sure.
I'm serious.
Give me a hug. So yeah, out this I look back and I see a pattern on.
That's how it goes.
What?
Hold on.
No, we know we just come back. Later. Me I go back, leave me.
Yes, you made it to the end of this movie. So if you like it, you know, just leave a comment and just share it to your family member them and share it to your friends. And as I said before, you know, it's a whole heap more banger movie afford on Coloring Book TV. So you know, remember, you know, I'm gonna go over Puppet and Viva, that is my music channel, and show some support. You see me? Okay, you know, you would say my first strive and go over David and 1LF. And remember Tugga TV, you know, say a whole heap of work afford from your team. So just stay tuned. You see me? Coloring Book TV to the world.